The world beaters, the leaders, have taken a 1-0 lead against Hong Kong China in the final of the Asian Table Tennis Teams Championships. This is the men's final, of course. The women from China have earlier already sealed the deal for themselves, having beaten Japan in straight matches to clinch the title. Now there he is, that man who we all have come to see, who we all have come to enjoy watching. The world number one, Wang Chuqin. He is up against Chan Baldwin, who's ranked 69, the 20-year-old there. Chan Baldwin of Hong Kong, China, has impressed during this tournament, but this is really a mountain to climb for Hong Kong, China there. Sachin, welcoming you back after that short breather.
Oh, yesterday, certainly Wang Chuqin got a surprise from Sora, and now looking at Wang Chuqin facing Chan Baldwin for the first time. Baldwin is going to be facing a lot of aggression, a lot of firework from Wang Chuqin, because this is a final and Wang Chuqin knows that we have a lead here and I am the leader here, so I'm going to set the tone right. On the other side, Chan is going to be saying, I'm young, I'm less experienced, but maybe I will have the experience of beating you if I'm in my rhythm. So stage is set, players are here, testing the height and light. Game on. Table number one now. Oh, that's quite a placement by Wang Chuqin, not allowing Chang to settle down. He was expecting. It's no more kids play, Chan. You're facing world number one.
Yeah, and that's gone out again. Interestingly, Wang Chuqin, obviously considered the successor to Fan Zhendong and Ma Long, a left-hander. We've seen him rock practice. And whenever he's turned up here at the Kalinga Stadium, it has been truly incredible the way he has been so intense in practice sessions. Stuff of champions. Yesterday, he had lost a match against Shora, but then he bounced back by beating Harimoto in a match that will always be remembered here, especially at the Kalinga Stadium. First point to Chan.
Oh, beautifully. Good placement by Chan. Now he has to micromanage each and every point because he's young, facing for the first time. You may have seen him on YouTube performing, but this is live encounter. Oh, Chan, well holding the rally, getting an applaud from his coach. You're beautifully defending your fort. Now, when you block these early attacks, it gives you certainly good amount of confidence.
Chan Baldwin definitely has got the word win in his name. Yesterday, though, he was beaten by Kuo Guang Hong. But then in the fifth match against Liao Chengting, he bounced back in the 5-gamer to get that win. 11-4, 4-11, love 11, 11-6, 11-5. Also, you can just sense that after an early lead that Wang Chuqin had taken, you can see that Chan Baldwin has managed to bounce back and he levels it at 5-all.
Wang Chuqin challenged by the young Chan Baldwin.
Wang Chuqin was nicknamed Big Head when he was a child, of course, because it was said that he had a big head. But he's quite proportional now, as you can see. Gone off, and Chan in the lead. Wow, who would have thought after that start? The 20-year-old facing the world number one, trying his best on the backhands, but this time it's onto the net.
Wang Chuqin. It's a surprise for him also. Today, he knows that young kids are fiery, and if they can beat him, certainly they move up to the food chain at least in the ranking. Oh, an open arm. He made a good room for himself with that full arm toss spin. 7-6.
I think throughout this competition, whenever we've seen the warm-up areas, especially when two men have practiced, everybody has watched. One is Wang Chuqin and the other is Harimoto. Oh, looks back at his own bench.
Bit of a hurried backhand. Kid, don't be in hurry. Take your time with world number one. Oh, a let.
Let, but you've got to admire the persistence of Chan, just the way that he's playing his backhand. What do you think?
I would say when it comes to persistence, yes, certainly. He is trying to get hold over Wang Chuqin as much as he can, and he would love to take one game. Oh, beautifully found a gap in the forehand. Wang Chuqin taking a deep breath there. Boy, you're reading my mind now. Chan is serving to get first game here.
Yes, and that's why the Chinese fans were right behind Wang Chuqin. And it's a good return by Wang Chuqin. You will not hear the cheers now.
Chan would definitely want to give everything for this point. He knows he has a big chance getting that 2-point lead. This time,
A let.
he went for a much more high toss. Yes, he got it. Change in the spin. Back spin. And
Game point.
two game points.
Yeah. Well, who would have thought? Chang is doing some phenomenal work. He's just there, staying, trying to be consistent, persistent, insistent as well.
Oh,
What happened there?
he tried his luck with that backhand. He was displaced by receiving service from Wang Chuqin. Wang Chuqin surprised him with that service.
How good was that service? This will rank very highly, I would say.
Yes, it was a long side spin, cocktailed with side cut spin as well. Oh, Wang defended 2 game points. Now, advantage.
Yeah, that's why he's world number one. He may have been 2 game points down, but now he's fought back. And that really tells you the quality and the fight. Chan has played well, no doubt about it. The world number one had to really earn this. He has earned this first game because he was really challenged by a persistent Chan Baldwin of Hong Kong, China. And now the Chinese table tennis men's team has really taken a hold of this match. You can say they are now 1-0 up in the second match as well.
Yes, and I guess you rightly said that he has earned it. Wang Chuqin. We have serves here, and we can see Wang Chuqin is keeping him busy onto the center of the table. Chan, that's a place where he is unable to hit banana flicks on Wang's service. Wang to serve.
We are now getting underway in the second game. Chan Baldwin had put in a spirited show, had even gotten 2 game points in that first game. And he starts off well there. It's a good start, but as it's often said in sport, it may be a cliche, but it isn't so much about how you start, but how you finish.
Oh, this time in the center. That's where Wang is troubling Chan Baldwin. He knows that he has a pretty nice as well as a fiery forehand. Block him there and get early lead.
And a good one, very good one, into the body and hit hard, which is why there's no response from the world number 1. Chan Baldwin gets a second point. So he's done some of those things right. He has made the right moves. But not long, because even Wang Chuqin, being world number 1, is going to do something like that.
That's an athletic backhand. He waited, kneeled down, took a pause, released it. 2-all. Straight, simple.
And that serve, maybe drawing him forward. What was the change you thought?
Looks like it has a little bit of a upper spin there. Oh, that backhand had too much of a spin and it was too low. Wang Chuqin in the rhythm of the game. Chan had put up a good show in the first game. Quite entertainment for the audience. Young guy challenging world number 1.
That's just gone out now. But Wang Chuqin now with a 5-2 lead. So this is good in the sense that there is a fight from Chan Baldwin, but Wang Chuqin just high on quality. Misses this time.
Wang Chuqin not happy. It's just the ball. 3-5. 5-3. Wang to serve.
Oh, that is the kind of shot that Rafael Nadal would be proud of. Just to illustrate one more point, Sachin, that is the difference between winning and losing.
Okay, that's quite a fireworks there from Wang Chuqin. Back-to-back 3-4 in toss spin.
So the difference between winning and losing, I'm not going to quote Al Pacino here from one of his movies where he said, it's about that man trying to take that extra step.
Wang tried for the first time, missing out on the second time.
Yeah, it's
good
just...
one. Bit of a self-talk here. Good placement by Chan.
Well, when you look at the number of games that he's played this year, not matches, games.
Again, a backhand missed by Wang Chuqin. Normally he doesn't miss this. This is one of a favorite stroke there. Taking a towel break.
So Wang Chuqin has played 223 games this year, out of which he's won 180 but lost 43. So that's a good margin, the number of games that he's won. It's not matches, the games. But look at the points. I'll come back to that after this one, as he gets one more point in his favor.
Chan is completely zapped by that long serve.
Yeah, absolutely. Zap moves up to 8-5. So he's contested a total of 4,014 points. Now, this is before this match. Again, just climbed on him. That's gone. Out of those 4,014 points, he has won 2344 and lost 1670. So it's always about converting those. There will be those points you lose even if you're world number one. But when it matters, how do you clinch the winners? That is what is the most important point there as Chan Baldwin just finds the net.
Talking about winner right now, Wang has not been able to get some of the winners that he would want against Chan. See, look at this. Completely surprised with that big, long service in the center. Again, you can see a cheer. Chang closing the lead with Wang.
Closing the lead, yes. But the last time it was Wang who was chasing. Chan was in control. But now Chan has managed to get only a point behind the world number one in the second game.
Timeout by Wang Chuqin. Absolutely. Now it's a good point where Wang Chuqin realized that he has lost the complete rhythm. Wang Ao would be saying, what is happening, guys?
Yeah,
After having such a huge lead, how are we losing it?
what happened earlier was that in the first match, they had gone for the timeout in the first game itself. When Lin Shedong was actually in control, one would say, but had conceded a couple of points, allowing Wong to come close to him. But now over here, it looks like, although they are, still in the lead, you can see Chan has come back, so it's almost similar a situation, but it's in the second game. Also talking about the Hong Kong-China team, the coach just imploring on the young Chan Baldwin as to what he can do. Wong Chun Ting, one of the senior members of their unit, also passing on his tips and points of experience.
Timeout is over. Still, yesterday we have seen in the match, Sora had, I would say, if I would call somebody an intelligent timeout, guys, it's going to be Sora. That was the only match where somebody defied his coach, where he signaled him to take a timeout, but he didn't.
Yes, a lot of the times even the player should have a say in that.
Wang Chuqin was loaded with two forehand shots. Baldwin.
Baldwin, it was all about the defense on that occasion there. And it was only because he was ready to defend, watched the ball right through, managed to return it twice on the bounce back to Wang Chuqin that he was able to win that point.
Let's see what happens at this. Baldwin troubling Wang. Found an opening there. Wang Chuqin. Game point.
Yes, he's got one game point. In that previous game, it was Chan who had got the game point initially, two of them in fact. Let's serve.
Trying to push Wang in a bit of a defensive position with that short service.
Yeah, he tried for that defensive position. Now can he get something out of this?
Oh,
wonderful placement.
beautiful.
Wonderful placement. And it's because of that that the world number one has gone 2-love up in this second match, Sachin.
Because ये ना generic point था, it was a beautiful, मतलब वो जो shot लगा ना, बहुत बड़ा technical था ये.
वो हम बाद में बताएंगे because they were to start the machine, so we have to say that वो second वो हो गया. जब
वो viewers मतलब वो समझ नहीं पाएंगे. चलो anyway, अभी वो शायद एकदम बिगड़ रहा है हमारे तरह. साइड में आ जाता हूँ. थोड़ा आगे आ जाता हूँ.
म्यूजिक भी जल्दी चालू किया. So generally क्या जैसा हम कर रहे थे, that was right. Where we were saying ठीक है ये हो गया गेम, you are coming to technical. आने वाला था हमें टेक्निकल पे, पर साला ये हो गया.
Welcome back with the third game. China leading by 2-0. Wang Chuqin is unable to defend the lead both times, but came back, finally winning those critical points. first point. You can hear the loud cheer, audience smiling. They are watching their favorites here.
Wang Chuqin had finished that previous game in fine style as Chan Baldwin concedes another point. Sachin, something really caught your eye during that finish with the way he placed the ball.
Yes, absolutely. It was such a marvelous absorption of spin in his hand. The way he read the serve and absorbed the spin and released it appropriately. The ball with two toss on the table. Chan had no point, no way he could win that point. With that long shot, with that long arm forehand, Chan knows that this is the one important game.
However, I must say that this hasn't been a complete domination so far from Wang Chuqin. It wasn't like the first match where Lin Shidong was completely dominant, and he is managing to put up some sort of a fight here.
Oh, that had a good amount of side cut service by Chang Baldwin. This is the second time he has done this service and placed it very, very successfully at the right position. Position in table tennis becomes very, very critical. How you can deceive the opponent.
Position of the ball or your own position where you're standing? Can you throw more light on that?
Position of the ball placement is very important.
Okay.
Faces the body, and if you can give these sudden jerks to an opponent, it can be really a game changer. And this with this game changer, beautiful down the line block by Chang Baldwin. 4-3.
As you get ready to serve, you're also having a look at the stance of your opponent, and you'll also plan your serve accordingly. Chan Baldwin just trying his level best, of course, but there are some times these shots may not come off. But compared to the first match, Sachin, we've got to say that for Hong Kong, China, Chan Baldwin has put up a fight.
Good fight, yes. Chang Baldwin, I would say that even if he suppose loses him, he'll go home with good amount of learning from this.
And the confidence, the fact that you have stood up to the world number one.
Yes. The way he is playing, certainly.
And also, when someone like Farazi has really set the tone. Last year, he beat Wang Chuqin. This year, he beat Lin Shidong. It's truly an example for youngsters. And as we have been discussing that, Chan Baldwin has managed to surge ahead by 3 points. So expect the Chinese contingent to get a little louder now.
Wang Chuqin wanted to finish it early, missing on to that. Now look at this. 8-4. Chan would definitely want to convert this opportunity. He would be really now thinking for a second, maybe after this game, once he gets it, that wish I could have got the first game.
That would be at the back of his mind, but he's got to forget that and focus on what's ahead. What a shot! Chan Baldwin has earned that point and shown that he's here. He means business. Moving up to 9-4. Sachin, how impressive was that?
That's a pretty punchy backhand. Another backhand. Mistimed it. Surprised it. Wang Chuqin blocked it perfectly. Kids here enjoying, knows that they are the highlight. Yes, it was a strawberry. Perfectly landed. Apology note. Now game 5 game points.
5 game points, and Chan, here's an opportunity.
Chan did it with that flick. He got that game here. Welcome back. This is the first game Hong Kong China has won against China. Really, such an encouragement, applaud by the fans here in the stands. That young kid defending one game against world number 1. Look at them, they are the highlight. Good.
It's the first game that Hong Kong China won in this final against China. Chan Baldwin was spirited. Now, can he manage to equalize and take it into a fifth game? As he begins one, he's got a point already. We were talking about Chan Baldwin not throwing in the towel and putting up a fight. He's put up more than a fight, having taken that game off him. Sachin, this is impressive from Chan. Now, he's got to focus on taking this into the next game.
Yes, whenever the status of leader is being challenged, Wang Chuqin, he always comes up with this heavy loaded forehand. This time Chan is leaving no stone unturned. He knows that can he get this game, equalize the score?
He's got to believe. If you have done it once, and that too with a margin of 11-5, you've definitely got to believe. Meanwhile, Wang Chuqin lands that one, and you could just hear a roar from the Chinese supporters. Not quite the supporters, in fact, the contingent who's seated right in front of us. The supporters only roar if they are facing a tough situation of sorts.
That's a beautiful, heavy, spinny rally, cross courts and down the line. Full package delivered by Wang Chuqin. It's 2-all.
And that shot has really made some of the members of the Chinese contingent get up from their seats and applaud. Now the Hong Kong China supporters will do the same, because this is good awareness by Wang Chuqin, the way he placed it and won that point. This is quality.
Yes, Chan is getting a lot more local support here from Indian fans. Oh, Wang found that gap. Chan is indicating. What are you doing? Are you playing like a kid against world number one there? No way.
Yes, he was a little bit late to react to that one because it was so quick, obviously. But it was hit as if it was going towards the Bhubaneswar airport.
It was a good setup by Chan. Slowed down the Wang. Wanted to go for that ripping backhand in the deep in the middle of the table.
Every point that Wang Chuqin wins is really egged on by the Chinese contingent. And again, more and more of them get up from their seats. Wang Hao, the coach, may have told him at the break that, look, that previous game may be an aberration. Now just focus on getting this match home.
Yes, this win is going to be very, very important.
Meanwhile, it's a timeout by Chan Baldwin. Back again after the timeout. Now, what would Chan Baldwin's coach would have told him? What do you think?
Go for fire. There is no more patience here. Just go for fire. And with this, fireworks are there in the stadium. We VIPs are coming in.
Yeah, the pyros just being tested before the eventual trophy ceremony.
Oh, it was a good point. It was a beautiful point earned by Chan. Ball touched the net. Almost picked up from the ground. Wang wanted to place, missed out on the timing. What a point. He should get a consolation prize for this, for sure.
But now he hits the net. The Chinese roars get louder because Wang Chuqin taking them closer. to clinching this match, but up against an inspired Chan Baldwin.
Oh, he kneeled down for that strawberry. Such a precise placement of that service. Pushing Wang to kneel down in front of him.
But in a split second to decide to kneel down and then execute that shot, really.
He found a gap there. Misread by Wang Chuqin. It's a happy situation for Chan Baldwin there, equalizing the score. But what is more important for him here? The way he's serving.
Wonderfully done by the young man, Chan Baldwin, all of 20 years. He is definitely testing the world number one. But that's gone into a bit of a leg serve. Wang Chuqin, the world number one. He's getting that support, and you can see those extra chairs behind. That is what I'm talking about. The contingents that have assembled today, right behind. Earlier, throughout this competition, they were either in the stands or elsewhere in the warm-up area. What a shot! Wow! Chan Baldwin shaping up with that forehand, placing it away from Wang Chuqin. Now this contest is definitely worthy of the finals when you turn up against the world number one and then you raise your game like this. He's level now again. Quite often right through this competition, we have seen that whenever Wang Chuqin has taken a couple of steps ahead, Chan Baldwin has managed to find his pace, find his rhythm and come back. If only he had managed to win that first game.
Now that's what you call true show of final.
Nine all. Sachin, we can't help but think, what if Chan had clinched that first game in this contest?
There was a position he could have
Oh, totally.
upset. World number one. Chan kneeled down, not very happy. He had done the right setup. He could feel that. That's the ball I was looking for.
And that's now match point. Match point. Does Chan have something special in him to deny this match point and move ahead? He's only a point behind. Here we go. High toss.
It's a powerful. What a swing. Look at this. Kids are surprised. How did he manage to hit that?
The only one not surprised there, Sachin, in this stadium is one man, and that's Chan himself.
Okay though, Wang Chuqin is thinking, what is happening? Why am I missing? These are my balls. They're my rallies. That is what I'm known for. Swing from behind the table.
What is happening is that a young man from Hong Kong, China has decided to challenge the world number one.
He has found that opening, read the service. He went on to the forehand and then to the backhand. Quite a geometry of spin and curves here.
We are all level yet again with Wang Chuqin to serve. What a return. What a return. Wang Chuqin tried his level best to get that across. But now it is yet again a game point for Chan Baldwin with him to serve. Is he going to go for the high toss as always? He does. Hits the net. Oh, all these points are anticlimactic, Sachin.
Yes, they are. Absolutely, they are anticlimactic. Wong got little confused with the short receives. Okay, Chan gave that point. He had done everything right in this rally. And that perfect ball he got for the signature lefty shot, he missed out. Now he is really deep thinking.
He's going to think deep, all right, because it is a match point now for the world number one. The world number one seals the deal. Wang Chuqin has taken China 2-0 up in this final. But it was an inspired effort by Chan Baldwin. What a wonderful effort, young man. You may not have won the match, but you have definitely won hearts here. Gets a bit of appreciation from the legend Wang Hao himself. And Wang Chuqin possibly never in doubt, but definitely he was questioned time and again.
Such a brilliant performance by Chan. It has in the Hong Kong corner, you can see they have lit up. Now you have Wang Chuqin, winners, all the winners somewhere on to the center of the table everywhere. You can see center as well as on to the back end. Such a power stroke game Wang played. Finally getting on to that important match. He knows that this match was very, 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 very important. And whenever they win it in style. Good show put up by Hong Kong, China. Such a delight to see. Finally, at the backstage, we are